This is Code Combat, the Python version of the course. I'm working on Descending Further. If you're doing this as a class, it's Introduction to Computer Science, level 11. Goals. Your hero must survive. Grab the gem. Bonus. Understand 5 statements. Bonus. No code problems. I think we can do that. Start level. Alright, so remember, comments are only read for humans. The computer ignores this when it runs code. Navigate the maze in less than 5 statements. So we've been learning loops, so I'm assuming that's what it wants us to do. I'm going to start typing wall, and instead of writing this all out, I'm just going to click, and here we are. That's how our loop looks. Now, what do I want them to repeat? Write once, write twice, and down. Write once, write twice, and down. I think I already know. I'm going to start typing the word write. Go ahead and click on this. I'm going to put in a 2. Because we do need to move right 2 times, I think. And then down once, I believe. And let's see what happens. Yep, and this is going to repeat forever because it's a loop. So your hero moves right once, right twice, down once, and then it repeats. Right once, right twice, and if there was more to the level, your hero would go down again, and then right once, right twice, forever. Great, let's keep going.